Hello, you're welcome back to my channel again. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new here, my name is Comfort at nutricomply.com. I have another healthy and special recipe to share with you today. Without any further ado, let's just dive in straight into today's recipe. God bless you. Today I will be making high protein beans waffle, aka Akara waffle. And to do that, I will be using black eyed beans. I will also be adding herbs. I will add habanero pepper, onions. I will be adding onions, and lastly I will be adding salt. So definitely, to make waffle I will need a waffle maker, and this is my waffle maker. The first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and peel my beans. I'm going to add 2 cups of beans into my food processor, and I will add some water. We can see that the outer coat of the beans that I want to get rid of have already peeled off, so I will be adding more water in order to be able to strain out the coat. This is the most tedious part of it, so if you don't want to be going through all this stress all the time, go ahead and buy the peel beans from the African store. So this is the peel beans. You can see that I've removed all the outer coat, the black one. So this is what I have. So what I will be doing now, I will be adding water and allow it to soak for like 45 to 1 hour. I really want it to soak for that long, for easy blending and also for a very smooth paste. So because I need a very smooth paste for this recipe, so I'm going to add water. Now that I've soaked the beans for 1 hour, the next step is to grind it. So I will add my egg. So I'm going to leave the full recipe in the description box below. I will not be adding water for now, so I will try to blend it, and if the blender blade is not moving, I can now add a little water because I don't want it to be watery. So I forgot to add the onion, so I will add the onion and the habanero pepper. So I'm going to grind it together with it. I will transfer the paste into a bowl. This is the paste, very smooth paste. So I will be adding my salt now. If you are the type that like adding spices or seasoning to your akara, you can go ahead and add it, but for me, I like keeping it simple, so I will only be adding salt and nothing else. It's time to make the waffle. I'm going to allow it to heat up like 1 minute before adding the waffle. I have to make as much as this, so I'm going to write the recipe based on just 1 cup. I prepare 4 cups because I will be keeping the rest, so you can just make 1 cup. So I'll be adding my waffle now. I usually set my waffle maker to maximum time. Look at the beautiful waffle, came out beautiful and nice. So the final step is to pan fry it. I will be adding the waffle. So I will allow it to cook for like 3 to 4 minutes before turning it. As the waffle is ready now. Look at the beautiful waffle. This waffle topped with peanut butter, the 100% peanut butter without added sugar, and with some fruits. Yummy and enticing. I will be tasting the delicious beans waffle. I can never be tired of eating this recipe. This recipe is really a game changer for me. I love Akara very, very much. But because I'm trying to cut down on my calorie, I've been running away from it for a while. But there was a day that I was making waffle for my kids. I usually make waffle for them. And it just occurred to me that if I should make my bean paste like that of Akara paste and add some egg and put it inside in the waffle maker and see how it comes out. I just went ahead and did it, and it came out very, very well and yummy. And the good thing about it is that my children really, really love it, which is another good news for me. And ever since that time, this is what we have been using in place of the regular waffle, which is very, very high in calorie as well, because of the refined flour that we are using to make it. And for me too, it replaces the Akara for me, because for this one I only pan fry it, which doesn't require a lot of oil and it's more healthier. So it's a real game changer, and apart from that, it's delicious. And we know that beans is an excellent source of protein, another good source of carbohydrate, healthy carbohydrate like soluble fiber, and it also contains minerals and essential vitamins. So it's something that is really, really healthy both for children and for adults, that you can have as your breakfast. And another good thing about it is ordinary Akara. If you make it, you cannot really store it, because if you rewarm it, it's not going to give you that same Akara. But this one, you can make it and store it, and that's why I made a lot. I'm really, really happy about this recipe. It's really a game changer for me, and I encourage you to just give it a try. I don't need to talk too much, but when you try it, just try it and see that the Lord is good. I'm sure you will give me a good feedback after trying it. That is it for today. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video, when I will be bringing you another nutritious and delicious recipe. If you have not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please click on that subscribe button. And if you love the video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video, when I will be sharing with you another nutritious and delicious recipe. Stay healthy and stay safe. Bye.